Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what is considered the best HP LaserJet Pro M283cdw. A powerful and versatile color multifunction printer designed to meet the demands of any office environment. This HP LaserJet Pro M283cdw stands out as a complete all-in-one solution with printing, scanning, copying, and faxing capabilities all wrapped into one sleek, compact device. Right from the start, the M283cdw impresses with its impressive print speed of 22 pages per minute, allowing you to get your documents quickly without compromising on quality. It delivers crisp, vibrant color prints with a resolution of up to 600 by 600 dpi, ensuring that your text is sharp and your graphics are vivid and professional every time you print. The device is equipped with 256 megabytes of memory, which supports efficient handling of complex documents and larger print jobs. Additionally, it has a 260-sheet output tray capacity, minimizing the need for frequent paper refills. The input tray can hold up to 30 sheets, suitable for everyday office tasks. One of the key features of this printer is its automatic duplex printing capability, which lets you print on both sides of the paper without manual intervention. This not only saves paper but also cuts down your printing costs, making it an eco-friendly choice. Connectivity options are broad and user-friendly. The M283cdw supports USB connections, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi, allowing you to print wirelessly from various devices including laptops, smartphones, and tablets. This flexibility means you can place the printer anywhere in your office without worrying about cables, and share it easily among multiple users. The scanning function uses a flatbed scanner, providing a reliable way to digitize documents with good clarity and color accuracy. Copying and faxing features add to the multifunctionality, making this device a true workhorse that can handle diverse office needs. Physically, the printer measures approximately 15.5 by 19.5 by 15.5 inches and weighs about 40 pounds. Its design is compact enough to fit comfortably on a desk or shelf, while its build quality ensures durability over long periods of use. This particular model is factory recertified by HP, which means it meets strict quality standards and comes with a 1-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind about reliability and support. Overall, the HP LaserJet Pro M283cdw is an excellent choice for businesses or home offices looking for a reliable, efficient, and feature-rich color multifunction printer. It combines speed, quality, and versatile connectivity options in a compact design, making it the best option in the HP LaserJet Pro lineup. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this overview helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.